Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the Binance Earn program to maximum gains. I just tap on my account and officially logged in. I will move in my home icon and just tap on more button in dashboards. So from here, the first is thing to maximize your gain is to simple earn program. You can just flexible and lock your amount for some days or month or year, and it will be APR, annual percentage rate. You will get profit. The first thing is that, and the second one, you can just little bit scroll down and just tab on this trading bot or auto investment. One of them you can choose. So I will just right now tab on auto invest. So here you can just set the amount. Auto invest means that you can long for to make profit, and just select the coin and set the price manually, so it can also gain your profits. So number third is trading bot. So just tap on this trading bot, and you can enable for your creating plan of spot grid. So just tap on this spot grid, and you can just set a manual way. You can just set a lower price of purchasing and set the higher price for selling. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.